a black Range Rover pulls up to the curb, its presence commanding attention without the need for excessive design flourishes. The iconic silhouette, a balance of luxury and rugged capability, has long been a status symbol, equally at home on city streets and off-road trails. From its origins in the early 1970s, the Range Rover has consistently evolved, merging cutting-edge technology with the brand's signature off-road prowess. The modern iteration of the Range Rover exudes refinement, with a streamlined exterior that remains unmistakably true to its heritage. The large front grille, sleek LED headlights, and flush door handles contribute to its sophisticated yet understated design. The long wheelbase version offers an even more imposing stance, catering to those who seek executive-class rear seating with additional legroom. A variety of trims and special editions allow buyers to customize their vehicles, from sporty dynamic packages to ultra-luxurious autobiography and SV models. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of comfort. High-quality materials such as Windsor, leather, sustainable wool blends, and open-pore wood veneers create an inviting space. Every detail is meticulously crafted, from the contrast stitching on the seats to the customizable ambient lighting. The panoramic roof floods the interior with natural light, further enhancing the sense of openness. The latest infotainment system integrates seamlessly with the digital instrument cluster, offering crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Rear passengers enjoy executive-class accommodations with reclining seats, entertainment screens, and massaging functions. Beneath the sculpted hood, the Range Rover offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving needs. From refined six-cylinder, mild hybrids to a commanding V8, the lineup provides a blend of performance and efficiency. A plug-in hybrid variant delivers electric-only driving capability, reducing emissions without sacrificing power. For those who demand the pinnacle of performance, the SV variants offer specially tuned engines that maximize both speed and handling. An all-electric version is set to redefine luxury SUVs in the near future. Despite its opulent nature, the Range Rover remains one of the most capable off-road vehicles in its class. Advanced all-wheel drive, terrain response systems, and adaptive air suspension allow it to tackle harsh landscapes with ease. Whether fording rivers, climbing steep inclines, or navigating rocky terrain, the vehicle's technology ensures confidence and control. Features such as all-wheel steering and active roll control further enhance agility, making the large SUV surprisingly maneuverable. Safety and driver assistance systems are at the forefront of its design. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assist, and a 3D surround view camera system provide added confidence behind the wheel. The latest models incorporate artificial intelligence to predict driver preferences and optimize comfort settings accordingly. With continuous software updates, the Range Rover remains at the cutting edge of automotive innovation. For decades, the Range Rover has been synonymous with prestige, adventure, and craftsmanship. It is more than just a luxury SUV. It is a statement of capability and refinement. Whether gliding through urban landscapes or conquering untamed trails, it remains the benchmark against which all other luxury off-roaders are measured.